I had this rule with my son, which is when you're fishing, you can swear. And so we're out fishing, he catches a fish, and I'm trying to get him to take a picture with the fish, and it flops out of his hands, and these bass have these little spines on their back, and the fin pokes him in the hand, it falls in the water. He starts to cry. I said, hey, buddy, are you all right? You all right? He said, oh, Dad, I'm about to swear. I said, hey. And he goes, that bass is stupid. I was like, all right, buddy, yeah, you know, now's the time, get it out. And he goes, that stupid bass is a f***ing pussy.